Good morning children and welcome to your reasoning class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter 5, ranking test given in page number 32 of your reasoning book. In this chapter, you will get different varieties of questions. You will get different varieties of questions asking about their ranks. As the title of this chapter suggests, ranking test. The name of this chapter is ranking test. You have to find out the rank. You have to find out the rank of an object or a person. In this chapter, you will get different types of questions in this chapter. So, let's read about them. Type 1. In your book, page number 32, you can see that type 1 type question is identify the position of an object or a person from left end or right end and from top or from bottom. If end position are not marked, then it is taken defaultly position from your side. Children, in the question, if the position is not given, in the question, if the position of an object or a person is not mentioned, whether we have to start from left or right, then you have to suppose or defaultly you have to think that it is your left or your right. You will solve the question by assuming that the question is saying that to assume your own left and your own right side. So, by applying this way, we have to find out the rank of an object or a person. Let's see question number 1 of this exercise, chapter 5, ranking test, question number 1. All of you in page number 33 can see that in question number 1, the question is, observe the given figure carefully and answer the questions based on it. In question number 1, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. There are 6 apples in this question number 1. And their name is A, B, C, D, E, F respectively. So children, what is the question? Apple dash is the second apple to the left of third apple from the left end. Suppose question number 1, I am solving question number 1. Apple 1, apple 2, apple 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 apples in question number 1. And what are the name of these apples? Apple A, apple B, C, D, E and F. So these are the names of the apples. The question is asking, apple dash is the second apple to the left of third apple from the left end. In this question, you can see that the whose left or whose right is not given. Then it means that the question is telling us to assume our own left and our own right side. So here in the last word you can see that apple from the left end. Apple dash is the second apple to the left of third apple from the left end. Left end. My left is apple A and my right is apple F. So apple A. Apple dash is the second apple to the left of the third apple. Which apple is third, children? Apple C is third. Apple C is third. And according to question, apple dash is the second apple to the left of third in respect to apple C, the question is asking in respect to apple C. The position of apple C is third, and which apple is second to the third apple? Second from the left side. So the left side of apple C is in this direction. First, second. So in second, you can see that apple A is there. So you will fill apple A is the second apple to the left of the third apple from the left end. So your answer will be option B. Option will be your answer. Option B will be your answer for question number 1. Option B, apple A is your answer. Have you understood, children? Now see question number 2. If apple C is removed from the row, then which apple is exactly in the middle of the row? Apple C is removed. Again I am drawing 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. So there are 6 apples, children. So the question is telling us to remove apple C. To remove apple C. Then which apple will be in the middle? In the middle of the row. Middle of the row means in between. You can see that now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one is in the middle? Apple D. Apple D is in the middle because in the left of the apple D you can see there are 2 apples, that is apple A and apple B. And to the right of the apple D, apple E and apple F is there. So our answer for question number 2 is option A. Option A, apple D. Apple D is the middle of the row. Is it clear? Now moving towards question number 3. In question number 3, children, if you will count, you will see that there are 11 soldiers in question number 3, and you have to answer accordingly. Soldier G is exactly between soldier C and dash. Soldier G. There are 11 soldiers and their name is already given. E, F, C, G, H, B, D, A, L, X, P. And the question is asking about soldier G. The question is asking about soldier G. Is exactly between soldier C. Soldier C is left to soldier G. And the question is asking about soldier G. Soldier G is exactly between. Between means in the middle. So soldier G is in the middle of soldier C. It is already given, and soldier H. So you can write here that your answer will be soldier H. So in option C, you can see that your answer will be soldier H. Soldier H will be your answer for question number 3. Is it clear, children? Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4. The question is asking how many soldiers are behind soldier B. But to solve this question, we have to find out that which one is the first position and which one is the last position. Children, in this question, you can see that the last position is already given in your book. So, it means this is the first position. Soldier P is in first position and soldier E is on last position. In the question, the position, the rank is already given. So you have to find out how many soldiers are behind soldier B. So in respect of soldier B. So how many soldiers are in behind of soldier B? You can count soldier H, G, C, F and E. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means there are 5 soldiers. There are 5 soldiers which are behind soldier B. So in which option you are getting 5? In option number B. In option B, you can see that 5 soldiers. You can see number 5 in option B. So option B will be your answer for question number 4. Let's see question number 5. In the book you can see that which item is fifth from the last. Question number 5 is telling that which item is fifth from the last. You can see children, in question number 5 there are many things. There are picture of many things. This motorbike. The motorbike is in the first position. The position of the object is already given. It means that the book is at last position because in the question itself the position of motorbike is given. That motorbike is at first position. So the book is at the last position. Which item is fifth from the last? The question is asking to find out the answer in respect of the last position. So which item is into the last position? Is fifth from the last position? If the book is in the last position, it means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. The tree, the picture of the tree is at fifth position from the last. So your answer will be option B for question number 5. Is it clear, children? Option B. Now let's see question number 6. Children, you can see that there are some shapes given in question number 6. Left side is already marked and it means that if left is there, then right will be on this side. The question is asking how many shapes are on the left of the second shape from the right end. From the right end you can see that there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a picture of pentagon. This shape is from the right side. From the right side, right end, how many shapes are on the left of the second shape from the right side? From the right side, you can see that this triangle is on the second. This is the second shape from the right end. This triangle is on the second. Is the second shape from the right end, and the question is asking how many shapes are on the left of the second shape. How many shapes? It means that we have to find our answer in respect to this second shape from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 shapes from the second shape from the right end. It means that option A is your answer for question number 6. Option A. Question number 7 is also based on the same shapes. If triangle, there are 2 types of triangle, children. One is the third picture, and the second one you will get from the second shape from the right side. So this shape you have to see this shape. If this shape is removed from the row, then which shape is exactly in the middle of the row? So let's find out. Let's count how many face shapes are given in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 shapes given in question number 6 and 7. So, if you will remove this third shape, then which shape will come in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. When we are counting from left, we are getting that this rhombus is coming to in the between. Now, let's count from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this rhombus picture is coming at number 5 from the right side. It means that this is your answer. So, in option B, you can see that this figure is given. So, your answer for question number 7 is option B. Option B will be your answer for question number 7. Now children, let's see question number 8. The question number 8 is saying EVS English and Maths book are kept in a manner explained below. You can see that I have EVS book, English book and Maths book in my hand. The question is saying that EVS book is above the Maths book. EVS book is above the Maths book. So you can see that I have a Maths book and above means upside is EVS book is above the Maths book. So this is your EVS book. EVS book is above the Maths book. It means on the top. And the next line is English book is not the second place. English book is not at the second place. So if you will count that EVS is on the first place, Maths is on the second place, that on which place English book is? It means that English book is on the bottom place. So now the question is asking which book is first book from the top. EVS book is the first book from the top. So your answer will be option A, EVS. Option A, EVS. Now, let's see question number 9. The question number 9 is saying, in a row of 10 boys, Rohan is fourth from the left. In a row there is 10 boys. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 boys, suppose. So, in a row of 10 boys, Rohan is fourth from the left hand. But which side is left? This side or this side? It is not mentioned in the book. So, in the question. So, it means that we have to assume our own left and our own right. So, Miss left is this one. My left side is this one. And my right side is this one. Children, how will you identify that which one is your left side or which one is your right side? Wherever your face is, my face is this side, so my left is this and my right is side. But when I am turning, my face moves just around, turn around. When I am turning around, my left will be this and my right will be this. So, in question number 9, you have to find out, in a row of 10 boys, Rohan is fourth from the left end. It means from my left is this, first, second, third, fourth. On fourth position, we have Rohan. So the question is asking, Rohan is fourth from the left end. What is the position from the right end? So the question is asking the position of Rohan from right end. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From the right end, the position of Rohan is 7. And from the left end, the position of Rohan is 4. So your answer will be 7. see in option B, 7th is given. It means your answer will be option D. Option D will be your answer for question number 9. Children, I hope that you will like this video and you will do question number 10 by yourself after watching this video. And in the next class, we will discuss from question number 11. Till then, keep learning and watch the video. Thank you.